back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be unboxing some Crocs. This time it is the Croc all-terrain clog, and this is a collaboration done with Carrots. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button as well as our merch store. Today, we're going to be talking about something a little bit different than usual. This time, it is a Croc. You've probably seen I've done Crocs on the channel. I think Crocs are unbelievably comfortable, so I definitely like to intermix them within my day-to-day wear, and it's just a really easy slip-on shoe. So we are going to be talking about a really hype collab. I missed out, unfortunately, on the first collaboration with Crocs and Carrots. I was a fan of them when I first saw images. I wasn't able to get them. This time around, though, that was in 2020, but this time around, I was like, nope, I'm going to snag a pair of these. And again, these did release in two colorways. So it released in like a soil brown color scheme and then this carrot orange colorway. I only picked up the carrot color. I wasn't as big of a fan of the brown, but it did come in those two colorway options. So we're going to start off with the overview, a jump into size and fit on these, followed by how I styled this really bright pop of color. Also, there was a carrot capsule release, so as you can see, I'm wearing part of that. Then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into this overview. So I actually have two pairs out right now just because I have an adult pair and a grade school pair. I fit grade school pair and it was a little bit more affordable. There is some key differences though, so we'll talk about that as I'm going through this overview. But all over, this is an orange colorway. So this new collaboration that was done with Anwar was inspired by basically grounding therapeutic techniques that involves activities that really kind of ground you. So definitely wanted to be inspired by that ideology of being grounded electrically and reconnected basically to the earth. And so that is why this is very much so rooted into the earth. And with this one, this is the carrot version. And again, there is the soil version, but this kind of makes sense. So I really like how this collab came out. I love the color scheme of this, the bright pop of orange. We do have the gibbets here that have Anwar and his logo, as well as the carrot branding and the carrot. So you get 6 gibbets on the adult pair. You only unfortunately get 1 on the grade school pair. So I was a little bummed about that, but it's still cute. I still like it, not hating on it, but I may have to steal some off of this larger pair. And as far as the Crocs logo goes, you do see that on the back of the strap here. The strap also is in that green colorway, very reminiscent of a carrot, of course. And then we have the C's on the side as well as the Crocs logo. And then everything else is pretty much a base of orange. And then we do have on that outsole some hits of that green and the massive carrot logo. All right, let's take a look at all of those details, then we'll move on to size and fit. All right, so as far as size and fit, I typically don't wear my Crocs with the strap down. And because I like to wear it up, I like to go actually a full size and a half down. So I'm typically a 7.5. I actually am a size 6 in Crocs. So I definitely, depending on how you wear these, would either stick true to size, but if you do like to wear them like me, maybe go down as full size. So there you have it. Now let's talk about styling. So again, they did actually come out with a collection, which makes sense because Anwar Carrots actually established his own brand in 2015. It was a brand that's a streetwear style brand that is produced and sold in LA. So it makes perfect sense that he would have came out with a capsule. And I actually wore it for one of my looks. So we've got the carrots and the Crocs. It's in a bright orange. I also got the sweatpants to match, which really, they're really cute. We've got a little worm, little digging shovel there, and some soil here with a little carrot that's about to like grow and sprout, and then we do have that massive Carrots logo on the side paneling of the sweatpants. So that was for the first look. It obviously matched this perfectly.
I wonder if we'll be still here at 23 with you right next to me. I don't know, I think I love you barely. You're such a doll, but you'd never hurt me.
I wanted to dress the Crocs up a little bit by wearing houndstooth matching blazer with matching shorts in that orange color scheme. So definitely feel like you can dress these up if you want. Don't feel like these always have to be, you know, super perfectly casual.
Matt lives my car seat. I'm Ken, your Barbie. Right place, right time. Yeah, you magnetize my mind from the go.
Look, I decided to wear just a short cropped sweater tee, and then I paired that with some nice khaki pants that are in a cargo fit. So definitely think cargo colorway, khaki colorways, earthy color tones really just go great with these.
Still here at 23 with you right next to me. I don't know, I think I love you barely. You're such a doll, but you'd never hurt me.
Let me know which of the 3 looks was your favorite, or how would you style these?
You, man.
market. So these retailed for grade school $55, adults for $75, and the range is between $80 to $180. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you're new here today, thanks for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa. We'll catch you all in the next episode.